Hello children, standard 3rd subject EVS lesson number 25 changes in our surroundings. Dear children, please open your EVS textbook page number 147. Can you tell? You can see things around us clearly during the day. Why can't we see them clearly at night? Because night everywhere is dark. During the day we get sunlight. That is why we can see the things around us clearly. It grows dark after sunset. There is not enough light. We see the stars in the sky at night, but we don't see the things around us clearly. Day and night after living being. Can you tell, observe and describe? Here two questions I gave. First is how does the color of the sky change before sunrise? And second is how does the color of the sky changes after sunset? Two questions you observe and then afterwards you give the answer. Can you tell? How does the shadow lie? Number one, after sunrise in the morning, in which direction does the shadow lie? It is a long or short? And second is how does the shadow change when the sun is directly overhead? And number third, how does the shadow look in the evening before the sunset? Dear children, this is the activity. Please you stand this morning time sunrise, then you stand and you also saw this. Your shadow is going long here, short, and afterwards afternoon also you stand on the ground and this and then afterwards you also check, and evening time also you check, at this your answer you find out. Do you understand children? Good. Next point is long shadows, short shadows. In the morning the sun rises in the east. Before the sunrise we can see a various shades of colors in the sky to the east. When the sun rises, its light is soft. The shadows fall to the west and they are low. The sun's gradually beginning moving higher in the sky. Shadows become shorter when the sun is directly overhead. Shadows are very short. Then the sun slowly beginning shifting to the west. The shadows beginning moving to the east and become longer. After the sun sets, various shades of colors are seen in the sky to the west. At other times the sky is blue. Do you know? People separately go to the sea sunset at scenic places. Mahabaleshwar in the Satara district is a famous hill station. A spot in the Mahabaleshwar is very well known for its view of the sunset. Tourists visiting Mahabaleshwar make it a point to visit to the sunset point in the evenings to experience the spectacular sunset. Now here give the pictures of sunset. Next point is from dawn to night time. Birds are the first to sense the end of the night. Their creeping beginnings from early dawn. If there is a rooster nearby, you can hear it crow. The birds leave their nest. They start flying in flocks and beginning to search for food. Birds to beginning to blossom gradually. Their petals start unfolding. The flowers have sweet nectar. Bees come to collect it. Butterflies, beetles, and other insects start hovering around the flowers. People around us set themselves to work too. We also get ready to go to our school. Cow herds take cows and buffaloes out to graze. Once their stomachs are full, they sit in a quiet place and ruminate. In the evening, the cattle return to their sheds. Flocks of birds return to their nest. We return home from school. But some unnatural animals set out to search for food after the sun sets. Moths, chickens, and glowworms are some such animals. Tigers, bats, and owls are also nocturnal animals. Ratrani, queen of night, and Rajnigandha means tuberose are flowers that bloom at night. New terms. Ruminations. Some animals graze until their stomachs are full. Later they bring back to the swallow food into their mouth again a little at a time and chew it. They then they swallow the jaw food a second time. This is called ruminations or chewing cud. Ruminations help them to digest their food properly. Cows and buffaloes are animals that ruminate. And next is nocturnal. Some animals sleep during the day. They search for food at night. Such animals are called nocturnal animals. Here give some examples: bat, owl, ratrani. Try this. Find an open space from where you can see the sky clearly. Number 1. Go there at a fixed time every evening for a week. Then second, do you see the moon in the same place every evening? Number 3, does the shape of the moon look the same every evening? Dear children, please you go miss evening time on the ground and you check all questions you first you observe and give the answer of these questions. Now next point is a phases of the moon. The moon rises at different times every night. If you search for the moon at a fixed time every evening, you will see it in the different places. The shape of the moon also changes every day. The day of the moon looks completely round is called the day of the full moon. For 15 days after that, it appears to become smaller and smaller. On the 15th day, it cannot be seen at all. That is called the day of the new moon. After the day of the new moon, the moon appears to grow bigger and bigger for 15 days, and it's completely round again on the day of the next full moon. The different shapes of the moon that we can see every day are called the phases of the moon. Do you understand, children? Good. Thank you.